Hey traders, it's 52 minutes past 1 a.m. here in Brisbane on Wednesday, the 1st of November, and I'm looking for a quick spar here with Aussie Kiwi. So let me share with you what I like about this one, what I don't really like, what I'm keeping an eye on, what I'm being cautious from, and the level that I'm interested in. Now, this one, as you can see here from the daily chart, we already moved quite a lot. So this is something that I don't like in particular. I don't like to be at the end of the move. I don't like to see that I'm coming to the previous high. So that's one thing that keeps me cautious. But I really like the level. I like the touches that we had. There's some very precise touches. So we can see here on the way up, it was support. We can see over here, last place that the seller pushed towards that lower low, came back through it, pulled back to test it from above, made a slight higher high before dropping from that area, tested that again, couldn't push any lower, and now we're coming back from a lower low all the way up and actually making a slight higher high. What I also like about this scenario is that if I'll be precise on those last two touches, so the touches over here, we got 1.09316, and over here, just ever so slightly higher, 1.09319. So it's less than a pip, but it shows a bit of intention. And I like that idea. So I like the level. I like the push toward that level. I like the touches of that level. I less like the location of that level. I don't like the fact that we're sitting a bit higher up. Now, if we'll take a look here on the higher time frame, we can see that this one is a lower high, but we also have higher lows coming out here. So we're sort of like compressing in price toward a certain point, and we might break higher or lower from that point. If we'll take a look at the monthly, the way it looks like, we can see rejections of the high, making lower highs, but also rejection of the lows, making higher lows, so creating that triangle shape. So what am I looking for in this fight card? I'm going to drill down into lower time frame and actually even into the 1 hour. So let's just go into that, and we can see we had some strong reaction to Kiwi news, and then we came back up, touched that area, pinged that slightly, and then pushed lower. So I'm looking for that lower time frame compressions of price underneath that level. I do like the fact that even with that sell-off that happened over here, we actually held that higher low. So this level around the 1.0848 area held. We haven't come close to it, and we're still making higher lows and somewhat equal highs. So for this fight card, I'm looking at a lower time frame compressions of price. As for the knockout and the point swing, I'm not going to look too far. I'm actually going to do that on the daily chart. So let's take a look at why I chose those levels. So the first point swing is going to be here at the red line. Let's just zoom into that. So what we can see here is these touches. It was the origin of the move that pushed higher, and it was tested here before slammed through with a strong bearish candle. So point swing is sitting at this red line. Then the knockout is going to be just shy of this bullish rejection candle and the crossy of these two bearish candles, a little bit below that 1.10 round number. So to summarize, I am looking for a potential break of this level of this 1.0930 area. I'm looking for a quick spar. I'm looking for those lower time frame compressions of price. Then I'll be looking for my point swing to be at this red line around the 1.0970 and the knockout just shy of this 1.1 level. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.